Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Madhu Kushwaha, Assistant Professor in SIRT Pharmacy. The subject name is Pharmacology and topic name is Basic Introduction of Endocrine Pharmacology in 5th semester. Then we will start with contents. The content is introduction, glands, type of glands, hormones, function, endocrine glands, functions, and its physiological uses. Then start with glands. A gland is an organ or a group of cells which produces and secrete particular chemical that perform a specific function in the body. Type of glands. There are two type of glands. First one is endocrine gland and second is exocrine gland. Both are present in human body. And endocrine gland, an endocrine that makes chemical or hormone that are secreted directly into the blood. They also referred as ductless gland, and this hormone travel to tissues and cells all over the body. The examples of endocrine gland is brain. In brain, the pituitary gland and pineal gland, and the thoracic cavity, there is thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. In chest, thymus gland. In abdominal cavity, pancreas, and upper part of the kidney is adrenal gland, and gonads are also endocrine gland in testes and ovaries. These are all the endocrine glands present in human body. Then exocrine gland. Exocrine gland are glands that secrete substances onto surface of hollow organs either directly or through a duct are called exocrine gland. Some examples of exocrine gland. First one is lacrimal gland. Second is mammary gland. Third, sweat gland, salivary gland, pancreas, liver, and gastric glands those are examples of exocrine gland. Then we discuss the hormone. Hormone means Greek hormone means to stir up. Hormones are chemical messengers that are secreted directly into the blood, which carries them to organ and tissues of the body. Hormone maintain homeostasis in the face of markedly variable external or internal environment. Hormones are secreted by the endocrine gland in the body, also called as signaling molecules. Body functions and their major regulator hormones. Availability of fuel. There are major regulators: insulin, glucagon, growth hormone, and next is metabolic rate. The major regulator of metabolic rate are triiodothyronine, thyroxine, and the somatic growth. The major regulator of somatic growth are growth hormone, insulin-like growth factors. Second, body function is sex and reproduction. The major regulator are gonadotropins, androgen, estrogen, and progestin. And circulating volume, the major regulator are aldosterone, antidiuretic, hormone adaptation to stress. The regulator is glucocorticoid, adrenaline, and calcium balance. The major regulator of calcium balance is parathormone, calcitonin, and vitamin D. And then hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a small region of the brain. It's located at the base of the brain. near the pituitary gland. The hypothalamus play a crucial role in many important functions, including releasing hormones and inhibiting release hormones, regulating body temperature, weight about 4 gram peptide in nature. Hypothalamus in hypothalamus produces many releasing and inhibitory hormones which control the secretion of anterior pituitary hormone. They secrete releasing hormone. First is growth hormone releasing hormone, GHRH, thyrotropin releasing hormone, TRH, corticotropin releasing hormone, CRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone, GnRH, prolactin releasing hormone, PRH, and last one is luteinizing hormone releasing hormone, LHRH. These are facilitate the function of the body. In pituitary gland, the pituitary gland is a small pea-sized gland that plays a major role in regulating vital body functions. It is referred as master gland because it controls the activity of most other hormone secreting glands and weight about 500 gram and nature is peptide. Pituitary gland act at extracellular receptors located on their target cells. Their secretion is controlled by the hypothalamus through releasing and release inhibiting hormones. Location. The location of pituitary gland lies in the hypophyseal fossa of the sphenoid bone below the hypothalamus, to which it is attached by a stalk and infundibulum. The two main parts of the pituitary gland. First one is anterior pituitary, is also named as adenohypophysis, and second is posterior pituitary, and their name is neurohypophysis. Anterior pituitary gland and adenohypophysis is the second name of the anterior pituitary gland and also called as master endocrine gland. Release various hormones, peptide in nature, act on extracellular receptors located on target cells. Their secretion is controlled by the hypothalamus through releasing or release inhibiting hormone. Each interior pituitary hormone is produced by a separate group of cells depending on their staining characteristic, acidophilic and basophilic. These are the staining characteristic of our cells. First is acidophilic nature type of cell, somatotrophs cells, which release growth hormone, lactotropes, they release prolactin, basophils, gonadotroph cells are release follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, thyrotropes are release thyroxine stimulating hormone, and corticotropes, lipotropes, ACTH, adenocorticotropic hormone. They secrete these different type of hormones in anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland secretes various hormones. First one is growth hormone, second thyroid stimulating hormone, adenocorticotropic hormone, prolactin hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and luteinizing hormone. These hormones are released by the anterior pituitary gland and the posterior gland, which secrete two type of hormones. First is oxytocin and second one is antidiuretic hormone, ADH, or vasopressin. Thank you.